Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and in this video we are going to be making a traditional little item that is going to be a different approach to something that you're probably familiar with, and that's cookies for Santa. The tradition is that you can leave out a plate of cookies for Santa so that when he visits your house on Christmas Eve, he can have a snack. So I thought, why not leave Santa a cute little box with a cellophane bag with cookies in it, and he can just take the cookies out and eat them and be on his merry way. So the idea behind this is you can see my Santa here, which is from the Holly Jolly Christmas stamp set, is not colored, and there's a reason for that. I think it would be a good idea for good little girls and boys to color this Santa, and it can be put on his special box. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to put it together, and then maybe your little ones can color the Santa. And I have it just, you notice it's not sticking real well. That's because I just put a glue dot here to attach it. And I'm thinking after Santa gets his cookies, then you can pull this colored Santa off and use it in a scrapbook, on a scrapbook page for your child. Okay? All right, let's get started. I have 2 pieces of Poppy Parade cardstock cut at 6 by 6 inches. And I've made bags like this before, usually on a larger size, but this is going to make the small little box / bag. And so I'm going to put it on my Simply Scored scoring tool, and I'm going to score at 1.5 inches on 3 sides. So there's 1.5 and 1.5 and 1.5. All right, let's do it on the other one. 1.5, 1.5, and one more time, 1.5. All right, let's get this Simply Scored out of the way, and we're going to do some trimming and burnishing with our bone folder. So this makes a sturdy little box, and if you didn't leave out cookies for Santa, you could always use this as a gift box for Christmas. And your little ones can still color the Santa. What a special gift. Huh? I think so. For a grandparent or a cousin, aunt or uncle. Okay, here we go. So now I'm going to take my paper snips. I burnished all of those score lines, and on one piece of the 6 by 6, I'm going to cut up and cut off these 2 end squares. Okay, on the other one, we're just going to cut up straight to that intersecting score line and leave those tabs on. Now we're going to adhere this together. I'm going to get some liquid glue because that's going to give me a little bit of wiggle room when I'm putting this together. And the idea of this is when you put it together, you want to call this side that's shaped with the little tab here the front. Okay, and when you fold up like this, the folds are going to show in front. It's going to be easier to understand once I get it together. Okay, so this is going to go over top here. Let me go ahead and get some adhesive on this. Okay, and I'm just going to put that front tab over that tab, matching the score lines, and hold it for just a bit and let it set. Okay, so now I'm going to take these 2 tabs, fold them back, and apply some glue on those. And then those are going to come up and down across the bottom. Okay, trying to match up the sides here as best as you can. Okay, and then these two tabs for the front are going to fold over those back tabs. So let's put adhesive there on these two. All right, let's bring it up and match the edges if we can and the sides. And then go ahead and do it on this side. There we go. And there's our little box. So easy to put together, and it's a strong little durable box. Now, this paper is perfect for this project. It's in the Night Before Christmas Designer Series paper stack that comes 6 by 6. This is 2 3/4 by 4 1/4 to fit over the front. It's got those hot cocoa cups and cookies. Okay, we're going to just center that like that. And then I thought, we need Santa to know that this is for him, right? So I've got his name cut out of, just Santa, out of sparkle glimmer paper to just give it some really good pizzazz there. And I used the hand-lettered prose dies. Here they are. Okay, because I love the font of it, and I thought that would be really pretty going across the front. So I've already cut out Santa. So I'm just going to kind of arrange it going diagonally. So let's put some glue. And I'm going to start down here and just work my way up to spell out Santa. And you can kind of vary the heights of these. It doesn't have to be in a straight line. Okay, there's our N. And then our T, and then we have another A. Okay. T. There we go. And then A. And I'm going to press that down a little bit, make sure it holds. I don't think I put any glue on that end of that T. I might have to go back and do that. I'm going to be traveling with these. Take one for each of my granddaughters and let them color the Santa for Santa's cookies. Okay, there's Santa. And then I have the Santa stamped in Memento Black ink and die cut. And I did it on shimmery white cardstock just because to give it a little bit of shine. Okay, and what I'll do here, I'm going to go ahead and get one glue dot. This is just so you can see how to put it together. When I travel with it, I'm sure I'll put the Santa inside the box. Okay, there's that. And then I thought it needs a little jingle. So we have these jingle bells in the holiday catalog. They come in the shaded spruce, cherry cobbler, and gold. I got one of the gold and cherry cobbler bells, and I'm just gonna get a glue dot behind it, behind the knot of the bow. I just strung the two bells on there and tied the bow. Super easy. And there we go. Okay, there's the box for Santa's cookies. All right, I hope that I can get them to color that and show you a picture later on after it's done. So anyway, give it a try. Let me know if you try it, and have a fun time with it, and a Merry Christmas. Okay, I'll talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.